Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we've seen, after this upper band ride, we've seen some steady weakness, an inability to get over the 9-day on the continuation chart. Now, an inability to stay above the daily mid-band. That ultimately opens up a move to the lower band. Upper band, middle band, lower band. Lower band, middle band, upper band. That's what we do. That's what the mini likes to do. So as I go into this week, you have the daily mid-band and the weekly pivot locked up around the 27.59 area. So 27.59, 27.60 is an absolutely critical area, not only for today, but tomorrow. You need to see if the bears are going to affect the market such that the E-mini wants to trade between the middle band and the lower band, then you need to see that area hold. So when it wants to trade between middle band, lower band, that is a sell rallies market. We need to be selling rallies today. When it's hanging out in the top half, that's a buy dips market, okay? And we bought dips. But lately, the key has been to sell rallies. So I will have a mind towards selling some rallies. We have traded as low as 39.25. That's effectively a test of last week's low down at 35.75. So they continue to defend those 30s. But what happens if we head back up towards anywhere 57 to 60 is going to be really critical, not only for today, but for the rest of the week. So hourly chart, you see the daily mid-band, weekly pivot locked up there at 59 to 60. Daily pivot is just below in the area of 58. You can see what happened last night. The inability to hold the daily mid-band here and then the breakdown below into the close on Friday was basically at the end of a week's worth of trading, where every move up to the weekly pivot up at 81 demonstrated an inability to convert or straight resistance. You need to have that dynamic repeat itself this week. If on every move to 59.60 we see resistance, can't convert, it will continue to probe down towards these lower levels, and eventually over time we will test the round number at 2700 and test that daily lower band. All right, everybody have a fantastic start to the week. I'll be out with some stuff on social in a little while. Trade them well. I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.